The harvest looks promising this year. The sugar levels are peaking perfectly.
Moisture levels are at exactly 12%, just as we calculated.
Temperature in tank 4 is stable. The fermentation profile is holding steady. Almost there. We're looking for that perfect medium dark caramelization.
The grind consistency is within 2 microns of our target. Exceptional.
Notes of dark chocolate and a hint of stone fruit. It's our best batch yet. From the highlands to the cup, this is why we do it.
The data from the last batch suggests we can expand the irrigation to the North Ridge next season.
The nutrient density here is exceptional. The volcanic mineral content is doing its job. I am slowing down the development time to bring out the more delicate floral notes.
The cellular structure is perfectly preserved. The heat penetration was uniform.
Look at the stability of the lipid levels here. It is significantly higher than last month.
Precision is just as important in the kitchen as it is in the lab.
Every detail we mastered today is in this cup. It was a good day.
The pressure is holding. The North Ridge expansion is officially online.
The absorption rate is excellent. These trees are responding better than the baseline.
pH levels are stabilizing. The anaerobic environment is perfect.
Second crack achieved. This batch is going to have an incredible body.
The distribution is perfectly symmetrical. The extraction will be flawlessly even.
The acidity is bright, almost like blackcurrant. It's exactly what we were aiming for.
Science and nature in harmony. Truly the perfect cup.
The soil recovery is ahead of schedule. The nitrogen levels are nearly restored.
Calibrating the humidity sensor for the North Ridge. We need total accuracy for the next cycle. No carbon buildup. The airflow remains perfectly unobstructed.
The density is incredibly consistent. This batch will roast with remarkable uniformity.
The aromatic complexity has definitely improved with the new hydration schedule.
Let's see how the Northridge flavor translates to a triple shot extraction.
Every data point confirms it. We've set a new standard for the next harvest.
If the soil recovery continues at this rate, we can start the second planting by Tuesday.
The flow rate is consistent. The root zones are receiving the exact mineral balance we programmed.
Bringing the temperature up slowly, we need a steady curve for this specific honey process batch. The caramelization of the sugars is perfectly aligned with the roasting time.
Surface lipids are intact, no signs of overheating.
The finish is remarkably clean. This will be the new benchmark for the estate.
It is rare when the data and the palate agree so completely. Well done.
The soil hydration on the North Ridge is finally holding steady for the new planting.
Pressure is equalized. The nutrient delivery should be uniform across this entire sector now.
Tank 7 is entering the final stage. The acidity levels are exactly where we want them. We're stopping here. The caramelization is perfect for the Highland blend.
Particle distribution is within 2 microns of the target. The grind quality is flawless.
There it is. The floral notes from the North Ridge are much more pronounced this time. This is what precision looks like. Every data point we tracked is in this cup.
The soil nitrogen levels are recovering faster than expected. We can start the next cycle ahead of schedule.
Calibration is complete. The nutrient flow is perfectly balanced for the North Ridge.
We are hitting the peak caramelization now. This batch will have an incredible body.
Grind consistency is within 0.5% of the target. Exceptional.
The floral notes from the North Ridge are much more pronounced this year. It's a success. Science and nature in harmony. Every data point we tracked led to this exact moment.
This is just the beginning. The next harvest will be even better.
The soil nitrogen levels are recovering well. The post-harvest replenishment is working.
Setting the flow rate for the northern sector, we need a slow, deep soak for these roots.
Tank 7 is fully sterilized. We are clear to begin the anaerobic fermentation run.
The cellular density is exceptionally high.
This batch will handle the dark roast beautifully.
Grind distribution is within 0.3 microns of our target.
Perfect.
The floral notes from the North Ridge have developed a surprising berry finish.
From the mountain soil to this moment, we dig again.
The soil recovery data looks promising. We are on track for a sustainable next cycle.
Synchronizing the sensors now. We need the temperature in tank 4 to be precise. The grain density is consistent with our premium Highland standards.
Every data point led us here. This is exactly the flavor profile we envisioned.